In this video, I'll show you how to add security deposit on Airbnb. To get started, go ahead and open Airbnb on your device. Click on that switch to hosting button at the top right of your screen. Click on menu and head over to the listing section. Open that specific listing and head over into the pricing and availability section. And under this, you'll be able to find these options regarding the payment for your booking. So you can go ahead and head over into the policies and rules. And as you can see in here, these are the policies and rules that you can actually set for your Airbnb listing. And take note that you can actually do this individually. So under this house rules, you can actually add a deposit option. You can set the amount of the deposit, and as for my listing, don't have that since this listing doesn't allow deposits. So that's how you can basically add security deposit on Airbnb. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.